Yes, sir. This is a thornless blackberry bush we planted last year in the no-till.
When you go up to your blackberries, if you want a sweet berry, you touch it and very gently do this. If it don't come off, leave it alone, because it's not ripe. If it is really ripe, the minute you turn it like this, it come off in your hands.
Wow.
I mean, don't jerk and snatch, just turn it gently. That's all you got to do.
Are they sweet,
Nanny?
Nanny?
A sweet berry every time. Savannah, did you see that?
Mm-hmm.
That thing, have you been watering this bush?
No, sir. I do not water any of my plants in the front of the yard. You know why, everybody? Deep watering towers, folks.
Oh, yeah.
So deep watering towers.
Little blueberries are coming on.
Yes, sir. That's a second-year blueberry bush. So I don't tote water.
You got vinegar?
From way up here. Yes, sir, I do. What should I put on there?
A tablespoon of vinegar in a gallon of water and pour it around that bush and it'll take off. It needs acid.
Okay, so I will definitely do that this afternoon. But
it really does need acid, right?
okay. So you guys, when like my dad just asked, do you water this? No, I planted it in a no-till, heavy mulch situation right here, and I did a deep watering technique.
It sure got a lot of berries on it.
Yeah, it does.
Is that one for the house?
No, sir. I picked this up at a local nursery last year and planted it.
Oh, it's loaded with berries.
Mm-hmm. It's a first-year production this year.
All right.